In an attempt to keep component costs down for next year's top-of-the-line Galaxy S25 Ultra model, Samsung is expected to keep the capacity of the phone's battery at the same 5,000 mAh that it has been at since the release of the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Not only will the capacity of the battery stay the same, fast charging speeds will also not be getting an increase next year. This info comes from ex-subscriber Sawyer Galox. A fan of Korean devices, Sawyer Galox wrote in his tweet, "The S25 Ultra will still have a 45-watt battery and a 5,000 mAh battery 100%. I got this information recently, and it was really unfortunate." In a follow-up tweet, Galox wrote that the battery features originally earmarked for the Galaxy S25 Ultra will end up in the Galaxy S26 Ultra instead. It seems that it was in the plan, but Samsung changed its mind, wanting to reduce costs and put the stacked battery and 65-watt charging speed in the S26U, he wrote. Samsung needs to have its bean counters keep a close eye on the costs of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. As we've already heard, Qualcomm is raising its prices for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 application processor, which will feature custom Qualcomm CPU cores and will not contain any low-power efficiency cores that are used to handle small tasks without consuming large amounts of power. Using advanced battery technologies would surely reduce Samsung's margin on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. In another cost-cutting measure, similar to how Samsung handled the Galaxy S24 series, the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus will be powered by Xiaomi's own Exynos 2500 chipset in most markets. In the US and China, those two models will be equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 AP. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 under the hood in all markets. The bottom line is that these maneuvers should help Samsung preserve its margins for the 2025 flagship line. Both the Galaxy S25 series and the iPhone 16 line have been rumored to use stacked battery technology. With stacked battery technology, the battery consists of multiple layers that are vertically stacked on top of each other, allowing a phone to have a slimmer design with a longer-lasting battery life. It can also improve a phone's heat dissipation. Google and Samsung's partnership goes beyond Android. While Google's Pixel devices use Samsung-manufactured Tensor chips, Samsung's flagship Galaxy smartphones got AI features like Circle to Search before even the Pixel 8 series got it. Both companies have now teased upcoming AI features. Our partnership has never been stronger. I'm thrilled about our collaboration on AI and the many opportunities ahead for both companies, Rick Osterloh, SVP of Platforms and Devices at Google, said in a post on X. In the post, he shared a selfie with TM Rowe, president and head of MX Business, Samsung Electronics. Meanwhile, Samsung reposted Osterloh's post and teased that the companies are working on AI features for Android and Galaxy devices. Our collaboration with Google continues as we work towards a shared vision of delivering the best Android ecosystem of products and services. Exciting things are coming up for the future of AI-powered Android and Galaxy experiences, Samsung posted on X. At the January Galaxy Unpacked event in San Jose, Google announced that the Samsung Galaxy S24 series will use Gemini AI models to power the next generation of AI capabilities in the apps and services built by Samsung. The company also brought new features for Google Messages and Android Auto, powered by Gemini Nano. Samsung's smarter notes, voice recorder, and keyboard apps use AI model Gemini Pro for better summaries, and the Galaxy S24 uses Google's Imagen, two text-to-image tech to offer generative edit features in the Gallery app for improved photo editing. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in tech news. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.